Hello everyone, welcome back again to SelfCAD channel with SelfCAD 3D modeling basic tutorial. Today I will create a 3D loaf. First I will use a reference image. You can click add image and I will attach this reference image. You can click open. Next I will change opacity and then you can close this reference image. We can use a top view, and in here I will use a 3D sketch. You can click drawings and then click 3D sketch. We can use this option 2-point arch. Okay, I will click at this point, move into this point. Okay, next I will click at this point. So we can create sketch by using this 2-point arch. We already create this simple 2D sketch, and next you can close. We can use fill polygons to convert into surface. Okay, this already convert into surface, and then I will use a thickness. We can set into 5 for thickness, and you can click preview. Okay, next you can click OK to apply. Now I will use a polygon option. You can click here polygon, and then you can click at this polygon face. I will use extrusion command. Okay, we can extrude with amount 10. I will use a scale command. You can click here scale and then you can click confirm to change. Okay, I will scale in this center point into here. Okay, we can use extrusion again. Now I will use a scale command. Click confirm change and I will scale into this point. Okay, the last we can use extrusion again. And then in here I will set for amount into 10. You can click scale, click confirm change, and I will scale into here. Now you can use extrusion again, and in here I will change for amount into 5. We can use a scale command, confirm change, and we can scale into this point. Okay. We already create this simple 3D models, and you can click close this scale command. Now I will uncheck this polygon option, and then I will use a sculpting tools. You can click here. Okay, and then I will use this option smooth edge. Okay, smooth brush. You can brush in edge of these 3D models like in here. Okay, make it smooth. Okay, you can see this will be create a smooth objects. We create smooth again in here with a smooth brush. Okay, after we complete the smooth these 3D models, next you can close or click this OK button. And then I will use move command to move these 3D models to the top. In here we can use mirror tools. You can click utilities and click mirror. We can set into bottom, and then you can click these 3D models and click preview. Okay, this is for preview, and you can click OK to apply. Now I will select these two objects. Okay, solid objects, and you can click state and scope. In here we can use this option union to combine these two objects. Okay, you can click OK to apply. In here we can use smooth again. You can click sculpting, and next we can use this smooth tool, smooth brush. Okay, we can smooth at this point. Okay, we smooth again in here. Now we already create this simple 3D models loft, and then you can click OK to apply. To print out these 3D models, you can click 3D printing. Okay, we're waiting for loading objects, and next you can click slice to slice these 3D models. Now you can see this for 3D printings in ANET 12 printers. You can play to view these prints out. Okay, you can click here to move print out in 3D printings. Okay, enough today for SelfCAD 3D modeling basic tutorial how to create a 3D loft. If you have any question about this tutorial, you can comment below this video.